Alright, how we doing? How are we doing, everyone? Let's see here. Who we got in here? T13, Jap B, what's up, Slava, Alicia, Eric, Flip Coins in the house, MoF, GE. We got 10 people in 2 minutes. We'll see if we can get more than 20 today. How you guys doing? Can you guys hear me okay? Music's not too loud. People keep saying in the updates I'm doing they can't hear my mic's low, but I don't know what's happening. Let's see here. Yeah, someone let me know. Can you hear me okay? And the music's okay. Just type a 1 or say good. What's up, Dennis? Is it really Friday the 13th? Oh, I guess it is, huh? I guess it is Friday the 13th. Hidden bullish divergence on the 1 week. Let's see. Alright, so as people come in here, we will look at peak here. Peak is pulling back, but you can clearly see low, high. It's holding the 236 at 54 here at 55. As long as you hold this, you're still bullish. If you fall lower than this on peak, then of course you are going to drop down to the much larger 786 here and drop another 16%. So just be aware of that. The support here at the 236 must hold on peak here. And then peak currently sitting at a 360 million market cap. So I would think this is going to get hit definitely. It's probably going to go all the way to the top here, but a 2.5 billion market cap for 7.5x to 4 billion market cap to about 640, we'll say 645. A round number there for an 11.5x, and then the 3618 retracement. I don't know the goal for peak here. 8.6 billion market cap up to 1345 for a 24x. But yeah, she's trying to hold support right now. 54 is your big price to hold on peak here. Peak. Hidden bullish divergence on the 12-hour chart on Dogecoin. What's up, Eldor? Alright, we're good. We're good. Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin, I was looking at it. It doesn't look bad. Looking here on the daily chart, daily on Dogecoin, doesn't look bad at all. You're talking about what kind of divergence? But yeah, I believe it. You can see the chart here. It looks good. Still making higher highs. It's curled up still on the much smaller time frame. I mean, if this turns into a wick on Dogecoin and you get back over the 786 at 42 with all of these holding nicely, then that's real good. But yeah, if Dogecoin's still curled up here, it still looks good. You say there's divergence on the 12-hour, so that's even more bullish. So where's Dogecoin going? $2. Another almost 5x, 4.5, 5x on this thing from where it is now. Doge to $2. RSI divergence, alright. Degen. Yeah, I haven't looked at Degen. Alicia says AI 16Z. What is that? AI 16, I don't know what that is. We can go look at Degen. Degen, I need Degen to do something already. This is getting ridiculous. Yeah, she's still just sitting here in the bull flag. Still looks good. Hasn't done anything yet. Once it gets back over the 618 at 17.9, then we're good to go probably. Just like it did back here. Dipped down, got back over, and then it went. But yeah, that's what we're waiting for on DGen. And she's either gonna do a 100% move, or she's gonna come up and test a high and do a 4x out of this pattern with another large candle spawning in. That's what I'm hoping for. I just need one large candle. Turbo laid an egg on Coinbase listing. Yeah, I looked at Turbo earlier. It's not really doing anything. Let's see. Turbo. It's still just kind of hanging around, doing nothing. Yeah. Doesn't look bearish or anything. It's just sitting here. So it's either going to continue running here or it's going to start consolidating again. But it needs to have a larger move, in my opinion. It needs to get up over that penny and a half already. Let's see. AI meme and AI agent launchpad. Is that on Deck Screener? AI 16Z. Let's see if I can find it. Ah, there we go. Oh, this thing's going to the moon, huh? Yeah, really nothing to say. It's just a very bullish chart. Very bullish chart on this thing. Let's see if this tells us anything on AI 16Z. You're over the 1618. Pretty much got stuck at the 2. So, new bullish coin here. It's going to probably run to the top. Oh, not bad. 12.5x up to 990. Pretty much 10 bucks. Is that where this thing's headed to? From 80 cents? She's going to 10 bucks. And then if we go low to the high, yeah, you're over the 236. Like I said, there's not really much to say. That 1618 and then this one here. And then we can pull it up there. Can't see anything. So as long as you're over, it looks like about 76, 77. Yeah, 77.5, you're still bullish here. But not a bad looking chart. It's just going, it's just, the whole thing's just curled up here. It looks like it needs to have a giant candle spawn in. What's up, Head? What's up, Sandu? Let's see. Jasmine, he says. Jasmine doing anything? Or are we just sitting here? Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine's not doing anything yet. It's still sitting here. Not a bad looking wick, I would have to say. But it is still below the 382 at 5, so that's your price to beat. Price to hold is 44. So short term, you're bullish here. 4-4 and then up to 5. Once you get over 5, potential 145% move up on Jasmine to the 0.5 at 12. That's what I'm looking for on Jasmine. Sucks I missed Jasmine. What's up, Alex? Sold my peak at 77 when everything was so down. Use that money to buy more crypto. He's rotating. Yeah, that's why I need Degen to do something already so I can rotate. I'm too poor here. I don't have any money until the 22nd. I don't know if you guys have ever been in that boat before, but it's just not fun. You can't even go out and buy a soda or water. Horrible. I don't know why they do that. I don't know why they pay once a month. Well, how's everyone doing? We doing okay? Did any of you guys make money on Velo? Velodrome had a nice pump this morning. So hopefully whoever's holding Velodrome took some profit. I think she went up 100% just out of nowhere. Fox. Did they change their ticker again? I don't remember that one. Yeah, Fox is in the same boat. Stuck at the 0.5, pulled back tested the bullish pattern it was in. So, I mean, it's not in a bad spot here. It back tested. That's what you want to see. Now she can go up. Once she gets over 8.7 here, the big price is the 0.5 at 14. But other than that, Fox is just kind of hanging out, just like everything else. Waiting to flip bullish here. But yeah, once you get back over 8.7, you're in good shape. So where do we think Fox is going? I probably need to update the Fox chart. Every time I make a video now, I'm updating the market caps and the whole everything. 5.5x, 286 million potential, 78646. Is Fox going to make a new high? This is the first time it's been on Coinbase, am I right? But yeah, I mean, there's so many updates I'm doing lately. A lot of things look really good, really bullish. We're getting ready. Everything's about to take off. Jasmine, ICP, and Degen was one of the cryptos that I bought. Okay. Yeah, I can't remember the updates I did today, but what was it? He says, Fet, you have a big Fox bag. Yeah, is Fox gonna hit a new high? What's up, Joe? He says, yo. He said, did we check out Mog, Orca, and Cody? No, we did not. Which one do you want me to look at? Mog is still extremely bullish. It's just sitting here doing nothing. It had a giant little, well, not giant little, but it had a nice little move. But just looking at the overall chart zoomed out here, it looks like the one we just looked at, that 16Z coin. It's just a curled up bullish chart. Once you break through the 2618 at 41, she's going to start moving again. And Mog, as long as you're over 2.7, you're still bullish. That is the weekly. We could even pull this up. Yeah, not really. I guess we could. Yeah, same price. So as long as you're over about 2.7, you're good. You're bullish still. It is still pulling back, so look for this thing to probably still come down. Another 12-13% there. The only other one I remember you said is Orca. Orca. Do people still buy Orca? Do they like Orca still? Orca, let's see. Orca's in a good spot. It's back over the trend. Holding over the 618. As long as you're over 464, you're in a good spot here. This thing will start running at some point. Once you get over another 80% move over to 786 at 925, then that puts in play potential new high. 13x to a 3.5 billion, 68 bucks. But yeah, there's so many things that are in good spots right now. Just waiting around to go. Oh, we got Slava for 5. I appreciate that, my man. You gotta remember, I can't click on these. I can't put you on the screen right now. Saul says BTC needs to make one more run. Yeah, it does. We got Nicole for a $5 super sticker. I appreciate that. Welcome back, Nicole. Yeah, we just did Orca. Orca's in a good spot over the 618, so you probably caught that. Orca and Badger. Who's buying Badger? Yeah, so what I was saying yesterday on the stream, does anyone know about Maker? Maker rebranded to Sky, and apparently they're converting all the coins over to the Sky tokens. So does that mean Maker is pointless now? Is the chart going to disappear? Oh no, we don't have a Badger chart. Are you kidding me? How do we not have a Badger chart? This thing's old. From the high to the low on Badger. Yeah. Tried to have the bottom put in over the 236 at 420, but then of course we know what happened. And then if we go high low, you're still over the 382, so over 384 you're still bullish. You're 395 at the moment. So off of the wick, off of that support. Once you get back over this, bottom is in, bullish over 694, and then confirmed breakout uptrend over 15. But at that point it's too late to get in. But yeah, Badger here is one that hasn't ran yet for an older coin. Let's see what kind of multiplier. 786 retracement in a bull market, 7x to 27 bucks. New high would be your moonshot, 37x to 144. Can't believe we didn't have a Badger chart. What else did you... Cody. I appreciate the 5 though. Everyone should be buying Badger. I just haven't heard of Badger in forever. It's still down at the bottom, so just do your research on it. Maybe it is going to be something. Yeah, if you haven't, we got 26 people in here. We got a better stream today. I don't know if it's because it's nighttime, but let's all hit the like button. I didn't do a poll today. I should have done a poll. Sean. Hey man, appreciate you. Desync? What is desync? Do you mean DZ sync? Desync. Oh, desync. Destra network. Oh, that's futures. Never mind. What is desync? Let's see. Yeah, I guess it is that. So we'll just do the trusty old Gate.io chart. Yeah, we're adding more to the list once again. Are you holding this one? Hopefully you took some profit. Oh, it's not done yet. Uh-oh. We have a winner. Another one that's about to take off again. Yeah, high to the low, you're over the previous high, so that is bullish. If we draw, I'd imagine we're sitting on a 236 here. Depending on where we draw this at, well, I guess that's it. Alright, so keep it simple on this one. Trying to find the support. There we go. You tagged it here, so as long as you're over 39.5, strong move up, just like it did here. It'll pull back, and then it went again, another pullback. So this one here, sitting pretty in a bull flag pattern, looks good. But yeah, when you guys were talking about divergence earlier, I forgot, but I used to use divergence a lot, but then a lot of times it never played out. But yeah, but if there's bullish divergence on that one, then it's another plus. Yeah, this one looks good. Let's see here. So wherever you can buy this one, Mexi, I guess, she is bullish right now. She's consolidating in a bull flag. More likely than not, she's about to spike up. And once you get over 54, it's a 30% move. Maybe it only spikes up 30%, but then if you get through that, next stop is the 1414 at 65 for about a 58% move. And then where's this thing going? No idea, but $6 would take you up to a 14x. We got 42 cents. This is another one I'm gonna have to make a chart on, but it is bullish right now. 8.5x up to 2618 at 350. Alex says I never get a membership. Nina, I appreciate the 5. I hope you make this cycle, man. I appreciate your videos from Alex. Okay. I appreciate the 5 there. Means a lot. I hope I make it too, but we'll see what happens. Nicole says the FOMC just jacks the week before. You can almost time 2 weeks ahead of FOMC meeting and take lots of profits and then buy back after the meeting. What's up, Ben? Can you look at Proppy or... Oh yeah, Proppy, real world asset, real estate. Yeah, we've looked at Proppy a couple times. Proppy. But yeah, I mean, I'm in better spirits lately. But I almost didn't want to stream today. Depressing. Oh, what is Proppy doing? See, Proppy was in a bullish setup here, and then the market said no. It's unfortunate. So, I don't know why this purple line is here. Let me zoom this thing out. Let's see here. That's the larger one. Alright, so from the low to the high, we hit the 0.5. We had that nice little bounce. I guess you could still call this a pattern. I mean, it's still holding up in it. So as long as you hold the 382 at 129, you should be good here. But I mean, if you ignore these wicks up here, just do this, yeah, it could be set up. So 129 is the price to hold on Proppy, and once you get back over 145, you should be in good shape to push up. So you have to hold that support. If it holds, then this pattern may play out. Not the best looking pattern, by the way. So 145 will send you up to the 786, the trend, and about 248, 250 here. So it could move up 83, 84% and get stuck again. Get stuck instantly. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, if you kind of just zoom out, it looks like it's bullish here. But I would just keep an eye on that support level. And then this one to a new high, 1.1 billion market cap, if that's correct, because we usually when I see the word there, it means I put it up there a while back. 8.5x on this thing. Yeah, I would say it doesn't look bad. Strong move up. It's formed this little triangle pennant pattern. Not the worst. Not at all. What's up, Sonny boy? Layer AI. Yeah, I just covered Layer AI. Yeah, we'll get. Let me see. Real quick, Layer AI and SUIPad. I never heard of that one. SUIPad. All right, Layer AI and SUIP. LAI. Yeah, Layer AI's. Oh, this is the one that made the slightly lower high, and now she's coming down. So it probably would have held a 382 if we didn't have this little market correction. But what we can simply do here on Layer AI is low, high. And you can see we're sitting right on the 0.5. So as long as we hold 14, we're good. We need to get back over 16 here. But if it does end up dropping, coming back down to the trend, you can clearly see it. It'll probably hold the 618. So you'll drop 20 to 17 to 20% back down to 1.3. Any lower than that 0.5 there. But you can clearly see it's just ranging here. But it is holding the trend. It looks, you know what this looks like? It looks like Velodrome. Because we just saw Velodrome doing the same thing. It started to pull away from the trend. It got over the supports and then it just took off. That's exactly what this is probably going to do at some point. But right now it's bearish at the moment. Back below the macro 382 at 1.9. So very well could come down to those lower targets. So you need to get over those before you can be bullish on it again. But giving you a chance to buy in again, I guess. Layer AI. Layer AI to a new high, 970 million market cap for almost a 27x. And then if it comes up and maybe hits 25 cents, this is just speculation, $500 million. 577 for a 16x, not bad. If it makes a high, a slightly higher high, but it's an AI play, so it'll probably hit higher than we anticipate here. All right, gotta run through these real quick. SUIPad. Yeah, I've been calling Sui forever. I watched a video on it, a couple of videos. People were calling it Sui, so I was like, well, I must be saying it wrong the whole time. I imagine this is the right one. It looks like a dragon. One of those dragons you see in China. There's the head. But high to the low, pretty much been getting stuck at the 618. Held it for just a moment, went to 0, back up. Nice little bounce off of the 3.2, back over the 0.5. So 94.94 is the price to hold. 14.5 is the price to beat. But strong move up. You guys already know what I'm going to say. Strong move up and a bull flag. And you're back over the 0.5. This kind of looks like what Degen did the first time, where it was just breaking down. These are weekly candles, by the way. So now that you're over this thing could start flying out of here real soon. So let me see here. It really hasn't done any kind of large move yet. So it looks like once you get over low, high, 618 at 11.6 here, 11.5 pennies, that's going to confirm you're breaking out. And that's when you're going to fly. So this thing here over 11 and then over 14, 30% move. It may spike right up 140% to 27. Or it could go higher than that, but it does not look bad where it is. Morph AI. What is Morph AI? Yeah, I'm trying to catch up here. That one doesn't look bad though. And then, of course, long term, I have no idea. New high on this one. 1272 at 163 would be a 14.5x. I want to say we've looked at Morph AI before. Can't type. My hand's asleep. What is this on? Is it deck screener coin probably? Morph AI. Let me write this one down on the list, and then we'll go over to deck screener. Come on. Morph AI. You got flip coins for 20. I appreciate that, my man. Dang, I almost banned you. Billy and used car, please. Yeah, I got you, my man. I appreciate the 20. I appreciate that a lot. We're gonna go over to deck screener. Yeah, DGen needs to go already. Slava holds property $8 soon. Yeah, you're right. There is so many good charts. I just added to scratch the trade itch. Rest of my bags are up 48 to 120%. Nice. Ben's making some money there. Can't wait to have that feeling and be in that boat to where I can do that. Where I'm up percentages and I have some money out there. Must be nice. Alright, so Billy and used car for flip coins. Billy and used. See if I can do this without screwing it up. Morph AI on Uniswap. Sunny Boy for 10. I appreciate that. Dang it, I clicked on YouTube, almost banned you. Appreciate you, brother. LAI and okay, yeah, we covered those. Alright, off of the chat for a moment. We're gonna go look at deck screener. Deck screener for the win. I still can't think of that coin. There was a coin one of you guys asked for on deck screener one day. We looked at it a couple times. But I could have swore I saw on Twitter somewhere that it was going to the moon. Yeah, Billy's on that final support level. Hopefully this is it. She's holding the 236. So one last time, low, high. Yeah, if we do it there, most recent little low, you're sitting on the 236 and the final 786 support at 28. So this has to be the bottom for this thing, where it is now. Because if you go lower, you're going to end up breaking the low, breaking the structure, breaking the uptrend. Yeah, this has to be the bottom for Billy. She's about to go back up. If not, then what else can you do? We can do our best here. It may still wick down below a little, you can see, but ultimately it is holding right now. Double fib, double support, double your money. 16.5x on Billy here on the potential bottom. See, like that, I wish I had some money on, I wish I had some Solana on my Solana wallet. Then I can go gamble on some stuff. Billy's in a good spot. It'd be nice to throw 50 or 100 bucks on there right now. Get back in the game. Used car. What is used car doing? Oh no, used car is going to zero. Why is used car dying? Used car. Let's see what we're holding here. Used car is almost in the same boat as the other one. You're down below the 236, but low high. You're fixing to hit the final support level at 4.9. You're at 5.4. So after all this time pulling back, another 7.5% potentially on used here. But this could very well be it. Bottoms are being put on the meme coins. We're about to go. So many bullish charts and the bottoms being put in on meme coins now. Trend here. Yeah. And with the dominance falling, you guys think we're about to blast off for that first initial God candle on everything, and then we'll cool off for a couple of months, and then it'll happen one more time, and then if we're lucky, a third time. But yeah, this one. Yeah, see, this is another one. If I could put $100 on used car, this thing's about to do a 98x, 100x. Oh man, 107x. Oh man. But that's kind of what we saw on all the bigger coins. Remember, for months, we've been watching the bottoms being put in on those final 786 supports. We're starting to see that now on these coins we're looking at now. Morph AI on. Yeah, you didn't tell me what this was on though. Morph AI on Ethereum, I guess. Came out 7 days ago. Yeah, let me check. Alright, so let me go back over to the chat real quick. Is this the right Morph AI? What's up, John Smith? April, welcome back. Velodrome pumped after you sold. Why'd you sell? We've been pretty much screaming that Velodrome is bullish. Pulled away from the trend and it just went vertical for a minute. I wouldn't mind winning Mega Millions tonight. I think you have more luck in crypto than lottery, but you never know. You never know. Let me see if I missed anything. We've got 25 people in here still. Everyone hit the like button if you will. Alright, I think I got everything. We're just waiting on the Morph AI. Luck Zero says, what do you think about Ether Vista? What is Ether Vista? Remember, you guys, if this is something on Dex Screener, just say Dex Screener. Ether Vista on Dex, and then say Solana, ETH, whatever it's on. That way we don't hold anything up. XYO. Don't remember. I think XYO is still bullish. Yeah, I just did an update on it. She's getting ready to go again. Yeah. Whenever I go on a chart and you see those yellow lines there, all we gotta do is zoom in. Oh no. Who's selling their XYO? Alright, we'll still pull this up and push the narrative. Excuse me. You're holding the trend, the blue line, you're over the 618, and you are still holding the pattern even though you wicked below it. You can clearly see consolidation in here. To me, it looks like it's ready to go again out of that pattern. So if it does hold up and start breaking out, maybe a 55% spike to 40. Once you get over, or 4, once you get over 4, then you're real good. It'll probably make its way to the high. What's up, Silver? XRP Army, he says. Yeah, I'm still waiting to see about the Morph AI. While we're waiting, we'll dissect XYO a little more. Yeah, you can clearly see XYO is trying to stay bullish here. Still holding up in this pattern. Consolidation sideways, making these points here. On the 4 hour. Let's see if we can get a price. So yeah, it needs to get back over 2.6. If it does that and gets back over 2.9, short-term bullish. And then once you break over 3.1 here, 3 pennies, then that's probably your breakout point. Confirmed over 3.4. But to me, it looks good. What do you guys think? Someone said ICP earlier, I believe. Yeah, ICP's in the same boat. It just had that bottom formation put in. Had the little pump, got stuck right at the 236. Alright, making sure I had the mic on. And then of course we know what happened. Everything pulled back. But it doesn't look bad here. Low high, you're holding perfectly over the 236 at 1303 to be exact, and then if you hold that, 1444 is the price to beat. Bullish over 40. And then ICP, let's see here. It's either gonna hit 90 or 200 bucks in my opinion. 6.5x, 42 billion market cap to 90. Or 618 retracement to 200, 205, 96 million, or 96 billion rather, and a 15x. I don't know. Is it going to go higher than that? That's the question. Can ICP hit a 300 billion market cap up to 660? That's the question, and do a 48x almost. Some of these coins with massive spikes will draw down when the broader market pumps. Yeah, that's why I keep telling you guys, like, it's probably just me because I'm broke, but if I got these pumps like XYO and whatever else pumped, I would just get out and go into something else that hasn't moved yet. Like an example, ICP here. ICP is going to have a decent run at some point. Like Velo just pumped this morning, went up 100%. John Smith says, thanks man, you TikTok live? No, I do not. I do not have a TikTok. I got coins on there. You got coins on TikTok? How's that? I know nothing about TikTok. Currently at 18.6. This one says 19.4. Morph AI, Uniswap. This is probably it. It's going to the moon right now. Everett says, can you look at Jasmy? Yeah, we'll look at Jasmy again. We already looked at it once. Dex says SUKU. Yeah, I looked at SUKU earlier. SUKU's in the same spot, but we'll look at it. Alright, back over to Dex Screener. Looking at Morph AI, go to the moon. We're on the 4-hour candles, so can't really do anything with that. Tons of volume coming in. Come on, computer's acting slow. We're dropping the frames again, I guess. So, Morph AI real quick. Let's see here. Man, this is going so slow. No, we're not dropping any rates. We're good. Not any frames dropped. Full bars. Alright, so just a little lag, I guess. Yeah, I still keep checking my Cash App and my Exodus wallet. Just hoping that dude was being real, gonna send me $5 grand. And then I look at my wallet and I look at my Cash App, or the Exodus wallet that is, and then it's empty. So I'm just like, I get sad again. That was messed up, wasn't it? Morph AI is going to the moon. You're over the 2414 at 16.7. They're pretty much being respected here. So as long as you're over 16.7, the price to beat is 21.6. You wicked above it a little bit. You got a little green candle spawning in here. Keep it simple. Morph AI, if it continues to run and you get over 216 here, next stop is potentially the 3 at 349. Another 74% spike up. And then all the way to the top of the fib on this one, if you're going to hold, $1.65 would be an 8.5x. But we will leave this candle here to see if it's going to spawn you in some money. Man, I wish I could remember what that one was that's running. Or was running. I can't remember what it was. Alright, back over to the chat. Let's see what's going on. How many people we got in here? It keeps fluctuating. Someone said SUKU and Jasmine. John Smith says, gifts. Money, lol. Oh, to give you. I never gifted on YouTube. Well, if you feel like being generous, Cash App, and there are wallet addresses in the description of the live stream here. But Cash App's always the best, because YouTube here, when you donate on YouTube, it takes me a month to get that money, and YouTube stills, or they take their 30% off. So 30% to YouTube, and then I have to wait a month to get it. That's why I'm poor right now. I'm broke as a joke at the moment, because I have to wait till the 22nd to get my YouTube money. But it is what it is. But yeah, there's so many things that are bullish here. Jasmine. Yeah, we looked at Jasmine earlier. Jasmine coin. Yeah, Jasmine's in a real good spot here. It's holding up well. It has the wick forming here. Got stuck at the 382 at 5. So 5 is the big price to beat. Once you get over 5, you're back to being bullish here. Yeah, that tells us nothing, so we're going to go low to the high. Low to the high on Jasmine. You can see we're over the 236 here at 4.4. You're at 4.6 at the moment. So nice looking wick here. As long as you're over 44, 5's the price to beat. Once you get over 5, this is what we said earlier. There's a potential nice spike in store here. 145% move to the 0.5 at 12 is up next. But Jasmine does not look bad here at all. It's in such a good spot. That'd be a good spot. Throw a little bit of money in, let it pump, and then run for the hills. SUKU. Yeah, I almost did an update on SUKU today, but I didn't get around to it. I just wasn't feeling it today at all. Yeah, SUKU sitting here over the macro 236, below the 382 at 14. So as long as you're over 8, you know, this thing hasn't really ran either. So once you get over 14.5 on SUKU, you're going to break over the trend, and you'll either be in a real good spot, which you will be, or it's going to take off at that point. But SUKU has yet to have a nice run. There will be a day like today with Velodrome. Did a 100% spike, just spawned in. We'll be talking about every coin that we look at here. One by one, they'll have these nice moves. But you can clearly see we're sitting right on the 236 rather, low to the high. So as long as you're over 10.6, you're sitting right on it right now. You are bullish here, even down to 9. But it does not look bad here. As long as you hold that 14.5, like I said, your price to beat. Where's SUKU going? SUKU 786 retracement in a bull market to a 254 million market cap. It's a 6.5x. And I just drew this on the screen earlier because I was going to update this. So that's probably going to get hit. But maybe SUKU doesn't go as high as we want it to. Maybe SUKU only comes up and makes a slightly higher high and hits about $2. That would still get you a 19x, 739 million market cap. And then the target we have here, the 1272 new high. You could treat this as a moonshot or whatever you think this thing's going to hit. 1.6 billion to about 454. If I have the correct circulating supply. I think SUKU is one of the ones that someone keeps commenting on the videos that the supply is not right. Someone keeps saying something has an 8 million coins in circulation. I don't know which one that is. Morby, how's it going? Welcome in. You're new to crypto. Is sushi a good buy for a potential breakout? I haven't looked at sushi in a while, but I think sushi. I do have a chart for it, but it's been a minute. Yeah, we haven't looked at it in a while. Let's get this off. But sushi, like everything else, it has the same exact structure down here at the bottom. And yeah, she ran, so made a higher high. So it is bullish here, short term. I say short term, but we're on weekly. So you're over the 382 at 203, $2. So yeah, you look good here off of that formation. Where's sushi going? I have no idea on sushi. Let's see here. But I mean, right now the whole chart is curled up at the bottom here. You're over the 382, over the 236. As long as you're holding those, price to beat is 325, and then as for it potentially breaking out here, oh, you called it, my man. Not the best looking, but you can clearly see when a strong move up and then you go down to the smaller time frames and you see this. I mean, we've seen it time and time again. When you see this pattern form, price is getting squeezed, it's consolidating in that pattern, and it's time to go. Alright, so we'll keep sushi on the radar. As long as you're over the 382, this thing's about to spike up. So a 50% spike, and then maybe it sends it up 137%. 618. And where's sushi going? Is sushi going to a new high? 30x on sushi. I don't know if that's possible. It's about 70 bucks. Sushi potentially 4.5x to 10 bucks. If I had sushi, that's where I would get out. But she does look bullish short term. But we're seeing that on pretty much everything, it seems like. And we only got 20 people in here again. Where's everyone at? Where's the other 9,000 people? Let's see. Scrolling back through, I gotta make sure I covered the super chats because I can't just see it on a tab. Arrow and render, says Dennis. Moon River. Alex says 8th year. Yeah, what did we look at earlier? It looks just like this. Coin has not done anything yet. So this one, it's sitting good over the 0.5. It's curled up here. It's making higher highs. Made a higher high even from back here. So not the worst looking. Yeah, you're over the 0.5236, so you are confirmed bullish here. So keep it simple. As long as you're over 7.8, the 618 is the price to beat at 9. And then this one, new high, 811 million market cap. That'll take you up to 20.5 for a 147% move. Where's this one going? The billion market cap takes you up to about 32 cents for a 3.5, close to a 4x. And then a 3 billion market cap, 72, 8.5x. But it's just ranging here. It hasn't done anything in forever. You could say a double bottom, high or low, and then now she's about to go. It's about to have a velo candle spawn in, 100% candle just out of nowhere. Arrow. Yeah, Arrow doesn't look bad here either. It almost looks like it's trying to form a triangle pattern here, which it could very well be. But it's sitting up here. Let's draw this and see if it plays out. But the overall chart is just, it's curled up here. It looks good. It looks like it just wants to go vertical. I've been saying that for a while now. Arrow looks real good here. And let's see, I think we're sitting on a support, but I don't remember where it was. Depending on where we draw this at, of course. Yeah, you're above the 236, above the 786. If we go from the most recent little pullback here, you're above this 236 at 193. Yeah, I think that's what we were saying, 193. And then, of course, the price to beat. Where's this at? Let's get that off. This is that 235 area. And once we break the high, next potential stop is the 1272 new high on Arrow up to 380. Nice 80% candle gonna spawn in here. but it's kind of just sitting here consolidating, not doing anything. If we just look at it like that, it looks good. And then Arrow to fit the narrative, 20 bucks, 16 billion market cap, $22, 10.5x. And then if it's going to hit 40 bucks, 41 there, 42, 30 billion market cap for a 19.5x. But not bad looking on Arrow here. Like I said, it looks like she wants to start going. Yeah, there's so many things that look so good. It's kind of scary because I don't have money in the market. Man, I'm going to get left behind. This is so sad. That just shows you never know what life has in store. In the market good at the beginning of the year. Now we're at the end of the year, December the 13th of Friday. And everything's different. Everything's completely different now. Just got to move forward. Velo, Moon River, and Velo. Yeah, if I remember correctly, Velo has a very bullish looking chart. As we know, Velodrome went. Come on. We were screaming bullish on that. Yeah, Velo's got a very bullish looking chart. It just made a higher high. It's over the 3-2, sitting pretty here at 2.5, double bottom off of the trend. This thing looks like it wants to take off too. Jeez. You guys agree with that? All these bullish charts we're seeing, you think we're about to go? Velo here is about to spike up to the 618 and hit a billion market cap, 19, do a 7.5x. But of course, first stop is 7, as long as you're over the 3-2. But it looks good here. Man, 170% move coming up. 786 on this one's a 30x to a 6 billion market cap to 81. And just looking at the chart here, how bullish this looks. It looks like it just wants to go. It looks like it just wants to go there. Am I right? Man. Velo's about to go to the moon. Everyone pile in. You do have Cash App. I got you, playa. Yes, Texas emblem. Texas emblem with the Bitcoin on it. That's me. So underrated. It's better than Render. I sold half my Arrow in the last local top. You're buying more Arrow at 55. Took some profits and reinvest most of the money on Moonwheel, Degen, and Fox. Alright, nice. What did I miss? We did Velo, did Sushi, Arrow, Render. Man, I hate that I can't scroll up here to check to make sure I got all the super chats. It just glitches out when I scroll up. That's just, I don't know why YouTube can't fix this. What's up, Eldor? He says super chat working. Yeah, super chats are working. Just some people don't know how to use them, or they haven't connected their YouTube, or I don't even know how it works. I did mine so long ago, I have no idea. I don't remember what I connected to it to be able to do super chats, because I've done super chats on other channels before in the past. Hold on. Some Moon River, that was it. When's the last time we looked at Moon River? Oh no. MOVR. is the ticker? Oh yeah, we have a chart for it. Good. I knew we did. Well, we have it on the list, but we don't have a chart for it. That's unfortunate. Hey, let me check. Okay. All right, Moon River. I'm surprised we don't have a chart for this. You're above the 236 here. Doesn't look bad. Same thing here. Almost everything had the same formation here. Bottom is in. The market was just screaming at us. The bottom is in. Yeah, look at that. High, low, tag the 786 final support. And you're sitting right on the 382 at 1690. Nice. So as long as you're holding that, you can clearly see the next stop. As long as you're holding off of that wick, is the 382 at 2446. And then the macro, well, the macro bottom is in, but you'd be macro bullish over that. So as long as you hold here, next move up should be about a 40% candle. And then once you get over that, the 0.5 is next. 154% move over 44. That's where you got stuck last time. And then once you get over that, it should be in real good shape. Confirmed uptrend over pretty much 80. But it doesn't look bad where it's sitting. Looks good. Moon River. Where's Moon River going? 10.5x to the 786 at 185. Higher high. Maybe this thing hits 600 bucks. I don't know if this is the best chart, but 35x to 600 for a slightly higher high. Oh wow. Can this thing hit $2,000? 1272 new high and do 122x? I have no idea where Moon River is. Render's a good one. You said something's better than Render. Yeah, Render's just sitting here. Low to the high, came down, hit our 0.5 and bounced. Another one at the top that formed the structure once again. It moved up, it's over the previous high from all the way back, I guess here. Yeah, the 2021 high. So you held it, we crashed down, we formed the structure, we're back above it. So you're sitting good over the 236. You can see that wick. If you can see that wick hit the 236 perfectly for that support level at 786, and we're holding over that previous high. So as long as you're over that, you're good. And then, of course, the overall structure here, you're making higher highs. I mean, this thing doesn't look bad. It looks like FET, which we forgot to look at FET. But that pattern there, pull back test, and then it's time to go up. But yeah, this thing doesn't look bad. 122% spike up soon. Or 142%. And Render, $75 at 8x to 38 billion, 39 billion market cap potentially. Yeah, did FET ever do anything? FET has a very bullish chart. I would like to get in on FET at some point, but it's way too late. Yeah, you can see the same exact thing here. Double bottom, higher low, held support. I would imagine you're sitting on something very good here. Just below the 618, you hit the 0.5, so it looks like you need to get back above 190. And then you're back to being in good shape, but you're already getting bought back up here. Yeah, I'm bullish on the FET chart too. Yeah, you're above the 236, low to the high 168. But like I keep saying, repeating myself over and over again, this just looks so good. So FET here, Once you break out over 250, you're heading to about 720, 1272, new high potential, 3, 4.5, a little over 4x on FET. What's up, Jerry? What's up, metal detecting? Some days super chats don't work. I don't understand why. I have no idea. You still have your 220.5 million XCN waiting. Just keep holding, my man. XCN. It's going to be a good one. We got ISTA for 2. Dang it, I almost banned you. ISTA for 2. Can you tell me what WTF just happened to Chill Guy? I think I covered Chill Guy one time. Just a chill guy on Mexi. It's probably, if it's going down, it's because everyone bought in. I mean, all the influencers talked about it for a little bit. Everyone turned bullish on it. They listed it on crypto.com, nowhere else, or I don't know where else, but let's see what we can see here. Yeah, whenever you see these big influencers talking about coins, like right now, today, I saw them talking about, there's multiple of them, Twitter and YouTube. They're talking about that Sui coin, Loki or something. The Sui meme coin, I can't remember what it's called. It's a big Yeti. But they talk about it, everyone buys in, it pumps everyone's bags, and then they just dump on everyone. That could be what happened with Chill Guy here, but you can see you can't really do anything with the chart because, I mean, she's moving back up right now. This is the MEXC chart. I don't know if there's a better chart, but it could be getting ready to go back up after it died, because you can clearly see, not the perfect drawing, but you get the idea. Double bottom. As of right now, she just bounced off of the 618. That's kind of what you want to see, a 618 bounce. You bounced off of it twice. Trying to get this marker off. And it's trying to get over to 0.5 right now at 34. If it can do that and then get back over 40, then this thing's back to being bullish. And then if you get over 4950 here, then it'll probably take off again. But I don't like these new charts like this. Yeah. But that's more likely than not the case with it. I usually don't pay attention to those coins. When the big influencers start talking about them, I've been duped before. That's because they bought in a long time ago. Or they're doing it for views. When is Art Block getting back to its all-time high? Velodrome. Did you make some money on Velo, Jerry? Yeah, Velo spiked up to the moon. But I think she came back down already. Yeah, this is what I said. I made an update on it this morning. But we were pretty much saying it forever. Pulling away from the trend here. And she took off. But you're over that previous high from all the way back here. This is where our chart started. And this is what I said earlier. As long as you can hold over this 25, 26 cent, you're good. If that support holds, then you're in good shape here. What it's probably going to end up doing after the strong move in the wick, it'll probably consolidate and try to form some sort of bullish setup here to continue the run. But hopefully you took profit up here. This thing came almost up to the 1272, didn't quite hit it, and then just people just sold. But I can't blame them. That's what I would do too. If I woke up to a candle like that, 100% candle, I'm getting out. But yeah, as long as you're over 25, 26, you're good here until further notice. If it holds here, if it does consolidate, if we see it turning bullish, then if I get this to move 75%, move back up to the 1272 here. And this is daily. Let's see what the 4 hour is telling us. I mean, it depends. If it holds here, you may get another bounce. Every time you see a spike up like this and then a pullback like this, that's always bullish if it holds, and then you go. Come on. Arc block, I guess, is still just sitting there, huh? Make sure I got the super chat. We got Anthony, Tony for 2. I appreciate that. Oh, I guess I could heart these, huh? Will that put them in a category? Never thought of that. Not that I can scroll back up to the old ones. Nah, I can't scroll up. We're gonna crash the stream. Eldor for 2. He says FET. Yeah, we just went over FET, my man. Did you catch it? I appreciate the 2. See if I can heart these, see if it does anything. Harlem says, is Shiba going to hit all-time highs this run? I believe it will. Yeah, just let me know, Eldor, did you catch the FET chart? But yeah, I think Shiba's going to hit 100 billion market cap, hit a new high. Oh yeah. But yeah, we went over FET. FET looks so good here. Even on the 4-hour chart. Look at this. Even on the tiny 4-hour candles, it's bullish. Yeah, FET looks so good here. Ista for 2. I almost banned you. Dang it, I keep clicking on those. You think DGen drops back to 1.3 to a penny area again? But yeah, looking at FET here, I mean, the whole chart is very bullish. It looks very good here. We went over, if we go low to the high on FET, you're over the 236 here with that little wick forming. As long as you're over 168, it looks good. The overall chart just looks double bottom, higher low. You're over the 236 here, so this is just screaming to me that it just wants to go up. But you look good over that level. Taking a step further. High to the low. Just below the 618, but it perfectly hit the 0.5 on the wick at 155. So once you get back over 183, it'll confirm this little move is over. And then, of course, once we break back through the high at 250, that's when she'll start flying here, but it looks extremely well. She's about to do a move up to the 1272 potentially. 290%, so almost a 300% move, so 4x. That's what I was thinking of. My degen finally pumped, and then I was going to probably put that profit into this here, FET. I don't know how long it's going to take to do that, but it just looks good to me. And then, like we saw in the 4 hour, the 4 hour looks extremely well. It's curled up on every time frame. Degen back to 1.3. 1.3. Where's 1.3 at? We're at 1.5 at the moment. Oh, you must be looking at the tiny time frames. You talking about back hair to this low? You must be trying to trade this, or is that where your stop loss is? Liquidation time. Low to the high, and you're back above the 3-2 at 158, so it is back to being bullish here. And yet again, small time frame, 4 hour chart. It could do anything it wants, but this is exactly what you want to see here. That's really all I can say. But degen, we're still just watching it here. We're watching it on the macro. It doesn't look bad. Now that it dipped down, it's starting to come up. Slow. We've seen this so many times. It's starting to get up here. Once it gets back over the 618s, you're in good shape here. So I have no idea if it's coming back down to 1.3. Maybe not. I would guess not. But don't, it could do whatever it wants, but it doesn't appear to be. I'm waiting for it to get back over 17.9 and then take off. I need it to. Back over to the chat. We have 30 people in here now. That's nice. Yeah, degen FET to $20. Is that what you said? Yeah, where's FET going? I didn't even look at the higher targets. Come on. Yeah, the top one we have here is the 1618 at 27. Yeah, I think that's very possible. $20. Because 27, 67 billion market cap and a 15x. Yeah, I got to get caught up on the chat here. I know. Shiba. Someone asked about Shiba a minute ago. Shiba's just kind of chilling out, being a chill guy sitting here below the 618, but as for a new high, why are we so far out here? Yeah, I think Shiba's going to hit the new high. 106 billion market cap, potential 1272 around this area at 3018, and do a 6.5x from where it is today. And low high, it's above the 236 at 25, so you're good. You're bullish here. Just need to punch through 3-1. What's up, Brad? Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have to go over to deck screener. We have that one on deck screener. Benji. Your coins ain't making no gains. Shiba, Turbo, QNT, Beam, Dogelon, Mars. When did you buy in on these? That's the big question. Dogelon will run eventually. Is what going to increase today? Not a problem. XYO. Yeah, XYO is looking good. April says LCX. LCX is probably doing nothing again. You hope it hits a new all-time high. Yeah, I got out of Shiba. I was in on Shiba last run. I actually got out at pretty much the high. I didn't listen to people telling me to hold because it's going here and there. He says Aleph. Shaking your head move. Alright, we're gonna look at Benji, I guess. GST. What about IQ? What is IQ? Yeah, people like to buy coins when they're already running. Which, you know, it is what it is. But I like to think we've been trying to catch everything on the bottom. Or at least in bottom formations or bullish formations. Yeah, LCX is still in the same spot. Just getting bought back up slowly. Once you get over 35, you're good to go. And then if we go low to the high, you're above the 236 at 27, so you're good. I mean, it's just taking its time right now. Let's see. LCX. Are you trying to be sneaky bullish here? Not really. I really don't see anything. But yeah, once you get back over 35, you're in good shape. Someone said LCX is going to 50 bucks, 100 bucks, and then 50 bucks, and then 100 bucks. But our target here is a 14x, 4.5 billion to about 480. If LCX goes to 37 bucks, that's 110x. Is it even possible for this thing to go to 50 bucks? Yeah, we're gonna go look at Benji in just a moment. I don't even know what time it is. My mind went blank. Yeah, we looked at ICP already. Where's ICP going? You tell me. ICP's, all it has to do is break over 14.4 here, and then you're good. If we go low to the high, it's getting squeezed right now. It's in between the 236 and the 236. So bullish over 1244. Breakout, or not breakout, bottom confirmed in over 1444. And then Moonshot, 300 billion market cap, 660 pretty much for a 48x almost, $200 ICP, 618 retracement, 96 billion, 15x. And I heard people say they'll take their profit at 90 for 42 billion market cap, 6.5x on ICP. Helium Mobile, GST. Yeah, I'm trying to catch them all here. GST still in the same spot, more likely than not. We're freezing. Yeah, GST is doing nothing. It's still stuck between down below the downtrend or the uptrend. Stuck with the trend. Had a nice bounce off of the bottom, off of our support box, low to the high. Yeah, you're just sitting here squeezed between the trend and the 236 at 24.8. Doesn't look bad here. It just needs to push through, hold support. And then if we go high to the low, my voice is going out. We're above the 236. So it looks like once you break over the 382 here at 2.8, we're good to go. Helium Mobile. Jeez. Down below the macro 382. So if we go low to the high, pretty much holding the 0.5. So as long as you're over 0013, price to beat is 0014. And as we go down the smaller time frames, you could be setting up for some kind of a bullish pattern here. Not the best looking or prettiest, but I don't know. I don't know what this is. Yeah, we're just gonna not even do that. So just keep an eye on those prices there. Come on now. But Helium Mobile, new high on this one is a 5x billion market cap up to 1 penny. Oh no, we have to change that. 9.5, almost a 10x now. Oh, we've been on for 94 minutes. Okay. $200 on ICP. Yeah, you're asking, do we buy it now? I cannot answer that. What's up, No Whack? How you doing, my man? So is there anything? Oh yeah, we gotta go look at Benji. Benji, let's see here. I remember how to do this correctly. Alright, hopefully you're still here. Benji, we've looked at before. We're starting to lag. Come on. 23 million market cap. Almost 95,000 holders. What is this one doing? Why is this moved? Yeah, this thing's just kind of going sideways. Recently, it's making higher lows. It's trying to curl up here. Let's see. You're down below the 0.5. Come on. Yeah, I thought I fixed this earlier, by the way. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 618. Most recent low, high, 618. So this could be it. 618 retracement was at 2.3. Yeah, right where you are right now, and price needs to hold. If not, you're going to come back down to the 382, break the structure that you do have in play here, which is this most recent little uptrend, which it could have broken it already. I don't know. It's not going to be perfect. It is a meme coin, so. But it looks like it's just going sideways. It's making higher highs, higher lows. So if it's going to hold up here, or die, whatever it's going to do. So you're either going to drop 16% or you're about to start moving up. And then once you get over the 786 here, and a higher high would be revisiting the previous high. So a 200% move here. Clearly went down from the last time we looked at it. Man, this is lagging so bad. But this one, 5x to a new high. Man, I wish this wasn't lagging so much. And then one other thing to do on it, we'll go from the high here to there we go. There's the fib that I fixed. That's a lot better. Alright, if we go here, high to the low, hit the 618, rejected, bounced on the 236, so could be coming back down to this level here. So support would be 2-1. Bullish back over 2-9. 8% drop in play right now. But that support must hold. Uh, 7.5, close to an 8x if this thing goes to a new high from where it is now. Around that. Man, this voice thing is throwing me off. Alright. It's getting ready to explode in Q1. Okay. Yeah, I hope all you guys hit your goals. I want all you guys to make money. Let me go find something to drink. I will be right back. We have, what, 33 people in here? 31 now. Everyone hit the like button. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Gather your thoughts, and let's see how we're going to move forward here. I will be right back. Alright, we're back. Took a little longer than I thought. Can't get the page to load. What's going on? Alright, there we go. We got it back. What's up, Angie DZ? It's going to 1 billion with all the partnerships. There's a baby degen. Sandhu says look at Crow. Oh yeah, you can buy Crow on Coinbase. That's crazy. Yeah, Crow is sitting over the 382, down below the trend, below the 0.5 here. And if we go low to the high, you hit the 382, you're back above the 236 at 17.5, so you're in good shape here off of that wick over the macro 382. Once you punch through 21, break back over the trend, you're in good shape at that point. Dang. And then Crow going to $2, 11x from where it is today to a 57 billion market cap. Let's see, we're still here. Yeah, we're still here. We're still live. Still just not anyone here again. The most we had was 33, I think. Degen, yeah, we've looked at Degen several times already. Degen's not doing anything. Degen needs to get back up over the 618 at 17.9 there. But overall, not looking bad. Bull flag pattern once again. Just a waiting game. You got to be patient. And then we're going to get a move out of here. Either a 4x to test the high or 100% move up to the 786 at 3.1. Turbo to the moon. Yeah, like I said earlier, it depends on when you got in on Turbo, because Turbo's been going up forever. But yeah, Turbo's just sitting here, not really doing anything. But can you imagine the people that bought in Turbo down here and it started pumping? What did this thing do already? So she's done over a 200x already. Turbo to 40, 26 billion market cap, another 34.5x potentially. If you buy baby Degen, you get reward Degen every hour from buy sell volume 5%. Where do you buy it at? Where's baby Degen at? Never heard of it. Weirdo on base. Weirdo on base. Let's see here. I'd imagine this is it. Oh yeah, I guess we've looked at it before. Surprise, surprise. Doesn't look bad. Same thing here. This thing's curling up, making higher highs, higher lows. Just had a huge little run here. It's pulling back. So this thing low. Yeah, I'll go low to the high. Yeah, you're sitting over the 382 at 7.5. So as long as you're over 7.5, you're at 7.9. You are still bullish here. But you can see the 618 there. Could easily pull back into a 618 retracement to continue the pattern that it's doing here. But it did a large double bottom and it moved way up. But if it's going to repeat, then you can clearly see it could drop 27% here. For a little pullback and then a bounce back up. Unless it decides to come all the way down here. But just watch 7.5. As long as you're holding that, you're good. So you could potentially drop 43% also. That's if you're going to continue the structure here. You could hold up at any point and go to the moon. But you can see clearly here and then make a higher high once again. Unless it's just going to go to the moon. But weirdo from where it is now, it's been up since the last time we looked at it apparently. 5.5x to the new high at 3043 on weirdo. You bought it around a 19 million market cap. Still sitting on 18 million tokens. Waiting patiently. It's a game of patience. That's what this is. How long have we been live? We hit the 2-hour mark yet? No, just about. Still got 29 people in here. What's everyone up to? How you guys doing? GLM. What's GLM? It's like Glimmer or something. Or Golem. Oh, that's unfortunate. We don't have a chart for it. Sorry. Yeah, which GLM are you talking about? I guess you mean this one. I don't know if this is the right one or not, but we're just gonna get into it because yeah, it came up, hit the previous high, got stuck. Now you hit the 786 and got stuck, lower high. So you do have the formation in play here. Curled up on the bottom. Hit the 236, and if we go low to the high, you're below the 382. So you need to get back over 44 on this one. And then of course 51. And then this one, new high on this one, if it finally breaks out. Up to $1.06, 143% move. I don't know what this is, I don't know what it does. But it's on the list now, we're gonna have to make a chart for it. Golem. Yeah, that's what I thought it was, Golem. Oh, it has a wick up to $8. This must not be it then. Unless you mean, yeah, this one's not it. Well, Coinbase. Oh, this is the same thing. Oh, you're talking about this. This what you're talking about? Yeah, he has 18 million, 19 or 18 million turbo tokens. Yeah, I can't wait till I get back on StreamYard. I won't have to work so hard. Yeah, this chart's been doing nothing. I don't know if I can use this scam wick. This is a Coinbase chart. We'll try it. Alright, so bottom was clearly put in forever. Got stuck at the 382. You're sitting above the 236 at 38.5, so as long as you're above that, the bottom is in. Got stuck right at the 382 once again at 6.9 or 6.79. So we'll keep it simple. If we go this one, yeah, you're right above this 382 at 42. And then we're going to pull this down. But the bottom is in finally. The big price to beat is that macro 382 there. Yeah, we're below the 382 here, so I wouldn't pick at it too much. As long as you're above 38, 679 is the price to beat. So is it ever going to $8 again, or 730, whatever that is the question. 786 retracement to 320 would be 7.5x here. New high on this one, $20 would be a 47x. What is Golem? Has done nothing since how long? It's been doing nothing since 2022. I guess they listed it on Coinbase, it went to 0, and it just went sideways ever since. That seems to be what happened here. AI agent, what's up, Matthew? On base is looking good. So is base Pepe. Yeah, where's baby Degen at, DZ? Where did I find that at? I guess on Deck Screener. Baby Degen. Is it this one that came out 2-3 days ago? Oh yeah, 5% Degen rewards. 30,000 holders. Excuse me, jeez. I'm gonna blow you guys' eardrums out. Alright, so this thing just came out. Based Pepe and AI agent. Let me write those down, because I will forget. But yeah, I mean, let's see what we can do with this chart here real quick. There we go. Can't do much because it just came out, but let's see what it tells us. Yeah, you're down below this. Oh, dang, I didn't even do that right. How come I didn't see that? Oh, you're holding the 618, so not bad. That could be the bottom. As long as you're over 419, you're at 43. If not, you're going to fall down to the 786 and drop. I don't know why they put those buttons right in the middle of the screen. So yeah, you can potentially drop 30% from here if you don't hold the 618. But it's holding perfectly pretty much. 400k market cap. So it could be a good play. Low to the high. If that's the bottom on the 618, then this thing to a new high. 130% move to 9.7. But it's so new, it's probably just going to rocket up to the top here. You said 1000x. Could be. Top of the fib here at 202 is a 5.5x. That's a start. Baby DGen. Computer's acting slow. Base Pepe. Oh, she's still running. Yeah, she's moving up since we looked at her last. Next stop up is 6041. If you get through that, we'll leave a candle here. Almost a 200% move to 9.8. But yeah, overall bullish chart. This thing's just going. These are 3-day candles, by the way. So this thing looks extremely good. As long as you're above 245, nothing else to say on it. Hope you're making money on it. Did you say AI agent? I don't remember which one this is. Let's see here. Alright, we'll see you in no whack. Poker time, he says. Yeah, market cap. Yeah, I can't remember the other one. How many people we got in here still? We're back down to 20 people. 2 hours in. I think it's about time to call it. We went over a lot. Yet again. And of course, we'll be back on here tomorrow. Alright, you got it. Okay. Alright, I appreciate all you guys coming in here again today. Not a bad stream, but kind of a dead stream once again. At some point, it's going to tick up and get better. We'll get people in here at some point. We're not bullish yet, so that's why there's no one here. But with that being said, I appreciate everyone being here. Let's get this 15-second delay thing to work out right. What is... Dominance is still falling. Not yet. Not quite yet, but it's getting there. Bitcoin's at 102 now. Wait, where's our chart at? Bitcoin's pushing here. Is Bitcoin about to make a new all-time high? Bitcoin, new all-time high. We're going to be bullish tomorrow. What is the high? 103,991. Is that pretty much the high? Yeah, we're going to end the stream and Bitcoin's going to make a new all-time high. Alright, with that being said, I appreciate you guys coming in here once again. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.